Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about practical ways to win Ketu in the horoscope. So, planet Ketu is also very important. A lot of people generally ignore Rahu and Ketu whenever they are giving predictions. But let me tell you, Ketu is considered as south node of Moon. It is also called a shadow planet, wherein which Ketu have the capability to internalize the information. What are the information which you see on daily basis? You can introspect and you can relate with your own self, and you can create that plans to achieve certain goals. So the people with strong Ketu, especially in the 12th house, so and also in the 6th house and also in the ninth house, these people will emerge as a great writers, poets, and authors. So they will get worldwide recognition just because of their writing skills. They can able to think in a very deeper perspective. A successful lawyer, a successful judge, a successful professor. All these people have stronger Ketu in their horoscope. It will happen either because of stronger Mercury or stronger Ketu. Okay, so now we are discussing about planet Ketu. Ketu also provides the interest towards spirituality if it is well placed. If at all Ketu is being aspected by benefics like Venus, Jupiter, and Moon, this person becomes highly spiritual in nature. He will be doing the research in terms of astrology, numerology, palmistry, and any other occult sciences as well. These people have very good taste of that spirituality. They will be associated with spiritual organizations, with communities, and also people with strong Ketu, especially in the sixth house, and also if at all conjunct with Venus, these people will emerge as a spiritual leaders. These people emerge as a spiritual leaders. Ketu is the planet of spirituality. If at all you want to achieve your spiritual goals, you need to have a blessing of planet Ketu, because Ketu doesn't have a head. Ketu have only the body, right? So whichever the planet he get conjunct, especially with Saturn, Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Sun, and Sun and Jupiter conjunction is very positive in nature, whereas Saturn, Mars, and Mercury and Venus is negative in nature. Saturn and Ketu conjunction creates professional breaks for the person, and Venus and Ketu conjunction brings relationship issues, separation and detachment, and Mercury conjunction with Ketu brings a lot of business obstacles in getting the profits towards the business. And Ketu on the negative side he's the karaka for disappointment, carelessness, anger, aggression, quarrelsome attitude, quarrels, okay, disappointments, detachment, debts, enemies, and also diseases, psychological diseases like depression, okay, schizophrenia, all these kind of diseases, psychological diseases. For all this, Ketu is the karaka. Okay, you need to get the blessings of planet Ketu. Let me tell you, and also a lot of people, especially with Venus and Ketu conjunction, loses a lot of money. They spend the money like a water, and they will clean up all their finances, right? They'll be having a lot of financial problems as well. And also some people will undergo legal problems as well. Okay, like legal problems, like litigation matters. In terms of with Venus and Ketu conjunction, it leads to litigation matters with spouse. Okay, so that's what I have examined so many charts based upon that experience and the practical research. I'm telling you all these things. So let me talk to you about the theme of the video, the practical ways to win Ketu. Okay, Ketu is the personification of your maternal grandparents. That means the grandparents from your mother's side. Please ensure that you provide enough of respect and humbleness towards them. Have a very good love and affection towards your maternal grandfather and maternal grandmother. Serve them unconditionally, make them happy, provide them some gifts, donate and offer some money to them if at all they're in need of money. Take care of them, offer some good food, okay, make them happy. With that, you'll be able to gain the blessings of planet Ketu. And if at all you have weak Ketu, right? So you can get that interest towards spirituality. You can join into any spiritual organization and start getting into the service activities which were rendered by the spiritual organizations. Offer some selfless service to the mankind. So that way you can able to gain the win or the blessings of planet Ketu. And also do keep learning. Learning has to be continuous journey, especially your interest towards occult sciences. If you start showing interest towards occult sciences like astrology, palmistry, numerology, vastu, tarot card reading, or all this comes under the significators of planet Ketu. For all this, Karaka is planet Ketu. So Ketu will get satisfied if at all you show interest on all these occult sciences. And if you learn them, it will be knowledgeable for you to take very good decisions in your life based upon as a pathway of astrology, and also it will help you to understand about your own self. What is your true purpose of your life? What is your objective of this life? All these things can be revelations can be done by understanding planet Ketu's significance in your birth chart. Depending upon the house the Ketu is sitting, that is what Ketu is teaching. For example, let's say Ketu is situated in the first house in the ascendant of your birth chart. That means this person will emerge as an introvert. They don't talk much. They don't like to take help from others. But Ketu is teaching that you need an association of friend circle. You need to trust others. You need to take help from others. Then only you can able to prosper. That is what Ketu is teaching you. If at all Ketu is placed in the first house, right? So that way you can able to improve your life. And also I would like to start giving some kind of free lectures or free seminars to the people who are in need, especially people who are preparing for competitive exams. Offer some free knowledge. Okay, that way you can able to get the blessings of planet Ketu. And also circulate the information for the people who are in need, and also offer some blankets to the physically handicapped people, poor people. Visit some NGOs, do some part of service activities, prepare food and offer some sweets, donate some money to the spiritual organizations or even the NGOs, especially the people who doesn't have parents. Okay, same like the remedy which I told in Rahu, I'm giving it in Ketu as well. Offer some selfless service, do some part of charity, and that way you can able to get the blessings of planet Ketu. And most importantly, respect your mother and father, which is very, very, very important. If you serve your parents, automatically you will not be having any kind of negative effects of planets in your life. The adversity, the effect of negativity in your horoscope will be reduced by just serving your parents, by just loving them unconditionally and helping them at all times and being responsible in your duties, which is very, very important thing which Ketu is teaching. Be responsible towards your duties, especially whether it is at home, whether it is in office. Be responsible in nature, take responsibilities, and ensure that you fulfill the responsibilities to the full potential. That way you can able to win the trust of your family members, and also you can able to get the blessings of Planet Ketu. All right, so please do perform these remedies to get blessings from Planet Ketu. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really loved sharing this information with all you people, and my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. And if at all you need my astrology consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for the astrology consultation. Once I get an order, I will be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. All right, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. We'll be preparing the analysis based upon your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. It will be easy for me to understand about your true nature by understanding your planetary alignment, and I can able to tell you what is your true purpose of your life, and also I can able to provide the predictions for your future in with regards to all the areas of your life. It can be finances, it can be career, it can be relationship, it can be business, it can be foreign travel, it can be debts, it can be enemies, it's about your children, it is about your spouse characteristics. Everything can be revealed from your own birth chart. All right, so do book for the astrology consultation without any delay. Once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart, and I'll wait for your consultation. Okay, so see you in the consultation. And if at all you're watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so that you will be notified on the future videos. And also click on that like symbol if you loved this video, and let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video. What is that important point which you loved from this video? and so that I know that you're watching my videos. All right, stay tuned to my YouTube videos. I have made around 450 to 500 YouTube videos related to Vedic astrology in my YouTube channel. Please do watch all those videos and learn Vedic astrology. It will be so fun loving, it will be so interesting. All right, so stay tuned for my videos, and thanks for watching, and bye for now.